You spend hours filming, editing, and posting daily to social media. You hit publish, check your analytics an hour later, and see zero leads to show for your effort. Hormozi built a massive audience using high-volume content, testing hundreds of variations to find exactly what works. But in his book, One-Page Digital Marketing Plan, Simba Mudanzvo argues for a completely different approach, absolute precision. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to extract the irresistible offer structures from Hormozi's 100 million leads and fuse them with Simba's precision targeting. The goal is to build a functional lead machine that costs absolutely nothing to run. Solo entrepreneurs cannot afford to burn thousands of dollars testing variations on a cold audience. When you lack the capital to buy volume, you have to engineer precision. It is the only reliable way to actually get paid. Testing ads to find a winning message works if you have the budget. Simba uses a framework called Customer Ikigai to do deep research, allowing you to arrive at the correct message before you spend a single dollar. Most marketing fails because it targets a frictional customer avatar. Giving a stock photo, a fake name, and a hypothetical income bracket is a comfortable fiction that drains your marketing budget because that imaginary person cannot buy your product. Instead of guessing, you need to gather real intelligence. Go to Google Reviews, Trustpilot, or Amazon. Find your top 3 competitors and copy exactly 20 negative reviews word for word. Group these complaints to find the patterns. You are looking to isolate the single bleeding neck problem that keeps your customer awake at 2 a.m. Take those 20 reviews and feed them into ChatGPT. Ask the AI to extract the underlying emotional frustration from the text, and have it generate 3 marketing hooks using the exact phrases your future customers already wrote. By using the market's exact language as your hook, you bypass guesswork entirely. You're hitting them with a message built on proven market data. Hormozi teaches the Grand Slam offer, a proposition so good people feel stupid saying no. Simba channels this into evergreen content. Instead of chasing a trending audio clip, you build a permanent asset that answers a permanent human question. This pie chart illustrates the market for your product. You can see the large red slice showing 30% who would not take your product even if it were free, and the tiny brown slice at the top representing the 3% who are ready to buy right now. Most marketing fails because it pitches a buy now offer directly to cold traffic, fighting over that tiny 3%. Create a single, highly focused asset. This could be a 1-page PDF or a 3-minute payo, but it must solve only the specific 2 a.m. problem you identified in your review research. Once that asset is built, update every social media profile you have. Swap out your generic "work with me" links for a highly specific call to action. Download the free guide to fix your specific problem. You can use AI to outline the structure of this guide quickly, but you must manually inject the empathetic language you scraped from those reviews. The AI provides the scaffold. Your research provides the human connection. What you have just built is a 24/7 evergreen lead asset. It sits on your profile and converts cold strangers into warm leads without a single dollar of ad spend. Now you need distribution. Instead of paying for expensive omnipresent ads, we use a strategy called Internet Presence Optimization, or IPO. IPO means infiltrating specific, niche online places where your ideal customers already gather to complain. Doing this bypasses algorithm gatekeepers entirely and puts your message right in front of qualified buyers. Spend exactly 20 minutes finding one highly specific Reddit thread or Facebook group. Scroll until you locate a single, detailed, unanswered question related to your evergreen asset. Engage like a human being. Answer the question thoroughly and genuinely. Do not pitch your brand. Only at the very end of your response, drop the link to your free evergreen asset as a helpful resource. To speed this up, you can prompt Perplexity or ChatGPT to list the exact 5 forums or subreddits where your target demographic gathers to discuss their specific frustrations. By deploying genuine value directly into these specific places, you skip the line. You place your irresistible offer precisely where your ideal buyers are already congregating. You now have a complete architecture. You identified a real problem for market data, built an evergreen solution for it, and placed it directly into your customer's digital habitat. This system requires absolutely zero ad spend. and it frees you from the trap of posting 5 times a day, hoping a cold algorithm will notice you. This framework outlines your target plan, focusing on Phase 4, your lead capture system, and Phase 5, your lead nurturing system. To prove it works, implement the simplest attribution method. Add "How did you hear about us?" to every discovery call or checkout page. Stop consuming content right now. Go scrape your 20 competitor complaints, find that 2 a.m. problem, and capture your next customer today.